Mastin Labs has a very simple and efficient workflow. With every image, you're essentially going to work your way down from top to bottom within the user style section of the Kodak Everyday Original Pack. So as you can see, we have film, white balance, tone, lens correction, and grain. And with every edit, you just start from the top. For this image, I'm going to select Kodak Ektar 100. As you can see, the image is a little bit overexposed, so I'm going to just drop the exposure just a little bit. Next, I'm going to go to the white balance section and look for a white balance that suits this image. Daylight is a little bit too cool, but cloudy looks just right. Now that I've got exposure and white balance dialed in, I can use a tone profile to bring out detail in this person's hair. Tone profiles affect either the shadows or highlights, bringing out detail and texture where needed. So in this photo, I'm going to use Shadow Soft. It's a subtle adjustment, but it brings out just enough shadow detail to make the photo perfect. Next, I can use Lens Correction to remove any vignetting or distortion in the image. And lastly, I can use Grain to add either 35mm size grain or medium format size grain to the image. In this case, I'm going to choose 35mm grain. We have found that this is the most efficient and consistent way to edit a photo. If you have any questions, please find us on Facebook in the Mastin Labs community. You can also contact us at help@mastinlabs.com. Thank you.